Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll make this logo that you see on the screen right now. We'll go ahead and start out on the edit page. Go to media pool, right click, new fusion comp. You can name it if you'd like, but you don't have to. And go ahead and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I cannot use my hands and arms. So it will be up there in the way. Get a background. Turn the alpha all the way down. We can go to one viewer for this. With the background selected, get 2 merges for now. And get an ellipse. Another background. Select the background, pick a color. I'm going to go with red. Then select the ellipse. Right now, if you move either the width or the height, it will not stay symmetrical. Most of you probably already know this, but there's beginners out there that probably don't. So we'll connect them. We'll make an expression. Right click on the width. Expression. And then grab the little plus sign. Grab the pick whip and carry it over the height and let go. Now you can move the height and it'll stay symmetrical. Set the size to 0.25. And while I'm thinking about it, I'm going to put the play it on frame 0. And uncheck the solid. And set the border width to 0.005. If you can't see it that well, go to these 3 little dots and uncheck the checker underlay. And you'll have a black screen. Right click on the ellipse, copy, click away, right click and paste instance. If you're not sure what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you've taken it off from. The little green line indicates it's connected. And everything highlighted in green in the inspector, and even if it's not highlighted, like the invert and the solid, it's coupled to the original node. We're going to de-instance a couple things here. Before we do that, get another background. And pick another color. I'm going to go blue. And then go back to the instance. Right click on the length. And de-instance. Bring that all the way down. And then right click on the border width. And de-instance. Take that up to 0.025. And then select background 3. Shift space and duplicate. Go up to copies and change it to 3. And then go to the angle. Go 360 divided by 3. And now you should have 3 of them evenly spaced out. 120 in the box. Grab another ellipse. Right click on background 3. Copy. Click away. Right click and paste instance. Select the ellipse. Once again, we'll connect these with an expression. Right click on the width. Expression. Pick whip over. And using the height, I'm going to make the size 0.175. The soft edge, I set to 0.02. But again, set it to your liking. Now select the background 3, go to color type, change it to gradient. I'm going to make mine red and blue. On the second one, just click the little diamond, and you'll see this green line in the screen. Grab the left edge, line it up with the center of the ellipse. We'll tighten that up a little bit too. On gradient type, change it to radial. Come down here, select ping pong. Make sure your playhead's at frame 0. Select the background 3. Set a keyframe on the offset. I'm on a 30 FPS. I'm going to advance 2 seconds to frame 0. You may have to adjust accordingly. And set the offset to 1. Put the playhead back at frame 0. Select the duplicate node. Add a transform. We're going to animate it with the angle right here. Set a keyframe on the angle. Advance 2 more seconds. And set this to 180. Hold the control button down. Select the transform and background 3. Then open your spline. And if this is in your way, there's a little button that says shrink. And go to these 3 little dots and select show only selected tool. That way it's only showing the 2 nodes we selected. Select them. Go zoom to fit. Select all. And set relative. The set relative allows it to be stretched as long as you like on the edit page, on the timeline, and it'll keep animating the same. I want to animate the ring as well. Select the background 2. Go to type, gradient, pick 2 more colors. I'm going to go pink and bright green, neon green. And again, at this little green line, we're going to move them in closer and tighten it up. Open that back up. Select ping pong. We want this one to animate like the others. So right click on the offset. Go to connect 2, background 3, offset. And select the merge 3, add a transform. And when you make a macro, you can use that to set your size or your coordinates. Let's go back and add some text to this. Grab a text plus node. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.